Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you're watching Cooking with the Crew, Christmas style. So if you've got a Grinch fan, they are gonna love you for making this. We're gonna make Grinchy cookies. I've softened 2 sticks of butter and added a cup of sugar. In this bowl I have 2 1/4 cups flour, and be sure that you're leveling it off. Real important. And then I have a teaspoon baking soda, not baking powder, a teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. And I've whisked it pretty good so it's all mixed up together and the lumps are out. Alright, so my 2 sticks of butter that have been softened, a cup of sugar, I'm going to cream that. And I'm going to use my blender. Set my whisk aside. 1 egg. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Right, I'm going to beat that together. And this is an awful lot of butter and sugar that's mixed in with the beater, so we're going to kind of scrape some of that out. There is no sense in that going down the sink or into the garbage can. And we're just going to set some things aside, out of the way, like the mixer. We are going to add our flour, baking soda, and salt mixture. And you just want to mix it together. I usually use the back of the spoon. And make sure you're getting all the way to the bottom. Well, we have a little bit more mixing to do, but I think we can go ahead and add some green food coloring. And that is a personal preference of how much you want. I put in 7 drops. We'll see what it looks like. I think the next time I make this, I'm going to add the food coloring in with the sugar and butter. Makes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh. Do I have a child who loves me?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Would you come and stir this? My arm's about to give out.
This is worse than when I made cookies.
Alright, we'll get those in a minute.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
He kicked some dough out. It's okay.
I don't think I'm helping.
Yes, you are. You're fine. I'm gonna squeeze through. It wasn't much. Oh. Alright, it's starting to stick together. Alright, I think it's better. Thank you. Did y'all see the dough just go flying? I added 2 teaspoons of water because it was just too dry and was not stirring up good and wasn't sticking well. And now everything seems to be blending in much better. I remember as a kid asking my mom why we couldn't use the beaters to make cookies, and she just told me you couldn't. And I'm thinking, I think my poor beaters would burn out trying to stir this up, huh? Okay. All right. Got a little scooper. And I have a pan. And we want to do a scoop about every 2 inches. Let's just do that. I tend to overcrowd my cookie sheet. Now, for the thing that truly makes it the Grinch, we have some red sprinkles, heart sprinkles. Let me tell you, I was going all over the place trying to find these. Michael's has got these. If I was making these commercially and I had, I needed to make 62 dozen, well, I probably would have gotten them from Amazon. But I didn't think I needed to get, the poundage. That they were selling it at. I'll tell you, normally when in doubt, go to Amazon. Oh. Package even came with a little heart. Okay. And we're just going to take one and just put it down right in the center. Wasn't a full heart. Can't have the Grinch have a broken heart. And we're going to put these into there's our timer. And there we go. Starting to turn golden, you know, you've seen the edges cooked there at the bottom. So I think we are good to go. You do want to let these cool for a minute or two before taking them off the pan, and then put them on your, your cooling rack. And of course, you want them to be cool before you start eating them. Don't want to burn your tongue. And Crazy Dave's crew is having a wonderful time researching and finding some festive recipes and little activities that we can do. So be sure to check back often, because there will be more Cooking with the Crew Christmas style coming soon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've made your mouth water just a little bit. I hope make sure safety, especially when cooking with little ones. But perhaps you can make some memories with some little ones, some young ones. Let your teenagers have a go. And stirring cookie, it works the arm a little bit. So if you need to, make sure you've got somebody standing by to help out with that. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video to someone you think would enjoy it. Most importantly, don't forget to come back. You never know what crazy stuff this crew will get up to. I will see you next time, right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching. Bye.